Dismantling the Flexmort AirCool is just as simple as its setup. With its efficient design, it can be disassembled and stored compactly for later use. Press the power button on the refrigeration unit and unplug from the mains. Wait 30 minutes before moving the refrigeration unit. You may dismantle the AirCool structure during this time. Unclip the ducting from the refrigeration unit and insulation. Remove the door panels and return them to the storage bag. Release the Velcro straps at the front of each side panel. Remove the rear and side panels and return them to the storage bag. Remove the door pillars and return them to the storage bag. Remove the roof panel and return to the storage bag. Remove the rollers and the top bars. Holding the racking vertically, release the caster brakes at one end and push the racking together to collapse. Secure the racking with the straps. Fold up the floor panel and return to the storage bag.